Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, May 22nd, and you guys know what time it is. Let's jump into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. Since the suspected Satoshi Bitcoin movement, we've seen a lot of downwards movement in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. Something that I did not expect was actually breaking below that $9,000 barrier. Currently, Bitcoin is down 5.1% at $9,010 in the last 24 hours. Ethereum also down 5.5% at $197.98. Dash following suit, down 5.7% at $72.67. And Litecoin not doing as bad, down 3% to $42.79. Let's take a closer look at Bitcoin and see exactly what its highs and lows were in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, when I made yesterday's video, we were sitting at about that $9,500 range. I personally was expecting it to go up towards $9,800, but instead we saw a massive sell-off, and then a subsequent massive sell-off, and then a subsequent massive sell-off, getting it down to $8,808.22 at about 12 o'clock Central Time. We did see the price rebound to about $91.50, $91.40, but right now it is sitting just a hair above that $9,000 mark. If you look at the 10, 20, and 100-day moving averages, you can see that the 10 and 20 are pretty much on par with what the price is right now. And surprisingly, the 100-day moving averages is just at about 9,200. So we've got a little bit of ways to go to get back to that point. I'm hoping if we do stay at this $9,000 mark for at least 24 to 48 hours, it should put a strong, steady confidence in the Bitcoin market, causing it to go back up and trending towards that $10,000 mark. Join us later today when we go over the top news articles to find out what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.